Now that was a fairly simple camera move, even though I think it was pretty impressive, but I want to show you that it's possible to get pretty crazy if you want to do some very complicated shots. I'm going to go back and select the camera tool as always, and I'm going to come over here to tool properties for the camera and add a keyframe at the beginning, add a keyframe at the end, and once again there's two keyframes, but now I want to move both of them. I want to start with a let me click on the starting point if I can. There we go. I've clicked on the little half diamond representing the start position. I'm going to click on that, making it green. There we go. And now I will press down here, go to selected keyframe, and now I could pick something, fairly complicated. I want to start with a big crane shot from way up in the air, and then I'm going to aim downward with the x-axis, get something really beautiful here. And while I'm here, I can even tilt this a little bit just to give it some variety. I don't like the position of the bird in this case, so I'm going to click on the first frame tool, even though I'm not going to be transforming the bird. I could transform the bird. We'll see in the next chapters coming up how we animate layers. Alright, so now I'm going to, I like that as a start position. Now, my end position right now is back where I started from, but I want to change the end position. So I'm going back to the camera tool. Now I want the end position, which is the red one, because that's where the camera stops. I'm going to click on that to select it. So I'm going to go to the selected keyframe, and now I can control it also to zoom in on him. Basically what I've done is given us a more impressive start position. So I'm going to zoom way in. I'm going to use the center to pan down, and I will use the top view to rotate on the y-axis. Let me get this where we can see it, because I want to be pointing right at our pirate. And again, since we're showing the extremes, I can scale it even more. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. I'm going to put the playhead back to the beginning. I'm going to put the camera mask on. I will set this to loop, and I will go from view or to play and play selection. So we're really zooming in on our captain there. Okay, that's enough of that, but you'll notice the captain drops out of sight. So what I really need to do is establish some control points for this camera movement, and that's what we're going to do next.